9 ways to fix it when your tablet won't charge. Is your tablet refusing to charge even when plugged in? Don't rush out for a replacement just yet. This guide offers 9 ways to troubleshoot a tablet charging problem, applicable to various devices including Samsung Galaxy Tabs, Android tablets, and even Amazon Fire tablets. Before we dive in, here are some quick tips. Enable airplane mode and lower screen brightness to conserve battery while troubleshooting. If possible, back up your data in case the issue persists. Now let's explore the solutions. Inspect the ports. Check your tablet's charging port and cable for damage, such as bends, twists, or debris buildup. For tablets with removable batteries, ensure the battery is securely seated. Sometimes, the problem is with the charging pin on the tablet. Observe it sees whether it's bent or twisted. The connector on the charging cable needs to fit well, so that all the pins on the charger are correctly attached to those on the port. If your port is damaged, it may need to be fixed, or the entire unit may need to be replaced. You should also check the connector on the charging cable to ensure the port is correctly shaped and not damaged. Clean the charging port. Ensure there are no gaps and the battery is flat with its mount. If that seems to be the case, remove the battery again and check if its connector connection can become blocked by debris. A portion of the contact might become bent, or a connector may have suffered corrosion. Carefully remove dust or dirt from the charging port using a compressed air can or a soft cloth. Use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Ensure the device is off and the port is completely dry before reconnecting. Test different cables and chargers. Try using a different USB-C or micro USB cable depending on your tablet, and a different power adapter. See if your device charges with this alternative setup. Whenever possible, high-quality cables in the original charger are recommended to avoid damage. Let the battery recover. A battery that appears to be dead may have been deeply discharged. This means that the amount of charge taken out of the battery was more than it was designed to handle, and as a result, there's so little charge left that it appears dead. Refreshing a battery from deep discharge, if it can be revived, requires turning the device off entirely and allowing it to charge for an extended period, at least 2 or 3 hours. Verify charger functionality. Test your charging adapter with another device. If the other device charges normally, the issue likely lies with the adapter itself. Avoid using the tablet while charging. Heavy usage while plugged in can slow charging or cause the battery level to drop. Give your tablet a rest while it charges. Check whether the charging adapter is working well. Sometimes the adapter itself is to blame for the charge. To ensure you are not using a defective adapter, connect your charging cable or USB to another adapter. If your device charges, typically there is a problem with your adapter, and you must replace it as soon as possible to solve the problem. Restart your tablet. A simple restart can sometimes resolve charging glitches. Locate the power button and hold it down until a menu appears. Restarting a device is simple and can be done by following the steps given below. Long press the power rocker button on your tablet. From the options in the display, click on Reboot or Restart. To restart your tablet, press the power button for 10-15 seconds and the smartphone or tablet will reboot robotically. Battery replacement. In the self-troubleshooting step, replacing the battery should only be attempted as a last resort. You should only try to replace your battery if none of the other techniques work. Also, please consult a technician before purchasing and installing a new battery, as different phones and tablets have different battery requirements.